Hello people, good morning. Today we are going to unbox Artisan Mousepad. If you know tens, then you know what I'm talking about. This is the Artisan FX Zero. So the FX stands for there are stitches on the edges. Currently I'm using this Lenovo Ideapad, which is very thin and very basic, but I wanted something better. And this is what I got. This comes with some gift PTFE feeds. Let's do the unboxing for this one first. Game arrows on both sides for a reason then. So this costed me a lot of money for a mousepad, and this is not supposed to be folded. That's why it came in this big box. So, and bro, this is super soft. I got the extra soft variant. Okay, bro, this is so soft, bro, softer than a mouth. Wow. I got the orange one because I have a blue everything, and blue, black and orange. I'm going to build a theme around that: blue, black, orange and white. A lot of colors, but yeah, bro, this is super soft. This is not at all flexible, the Ideapad one. And this is super soft. Like if I press my finger, it goes down. It's like a plushie. So good. If we go about the feeds, I'll try to install them on my Razor Viper Ultimate because the feet in those are completely gone, and I have tried almost like 3 times to order it from eBay. These will help. These are the button styles. This will reduce the amount of friction, the area of friction, and also provide a good amount of separation and slide to the mouse. Good gift. So nothing else in the box. See, for size comparison, I don't want it to get dirty. Size comparison, it is just a tiny bit bigger and longer than my existing one. I think this one is the 490 to 520 mm. So to be my backup one, or when I'm not doing gaming and stuff, when I'm editing and all, I'll be using this one. But I'll put something underneath because the surface of my table is not smooth and I can feel it through this mousepad. But through this, I don't think I'll be able to feel it much. This is a mousepad. I've also got a mouse and a keyboard and a laptop. So the whole combination, I'm going to be going heavy on streaming and games. So I recommend some games that you would want me to try. Oh, this is so soft, I can't get over that. I'll let you know if it is worth the money. This is a little bit rougher. This is a little bit rougher than the existing ones that I've used. These are pretty smooth, and this has a bit of texture to it. So let's see how well does it hold up. I'll try to get a sleeve or something so that I don't put all my oils on it, because this is orange one and I think this will get pretty nasty pretty soon. This is like leather kind of thing. This was just rubber, no grip at all. This is so soft, I think this will grip. So yeah, this was the unboxing video, and after I use it for a couple of months, I'll make a review video on it. And if you want to see me use it live, subscribe to my streaming channel, and I'll stream there once my laptop reaches, and the keyboard and the mouse. Thank you for watching.